Stage 4 is what I call the isolation stage. So when we get into the isolation stage, what's happened is the radiant energy is spread out of the liver, it's gone to the small intestine, it's affecting the small intestine, but now what it's doing, it's moving to a weak part in the body, and then it's going to isolate itself there and start to take over that part of the body. So for instance, you may have a weakness with chemical energy, with hormones in your body, and the radiant energy will go to there, your endocrine system, which is your hormones, and it'll start to isolate in there and start to really affect the hormones in the endocrine system. So this is when intolerances start to occur. So we're talking gluten intolerances, just intolerances to certain foods, certain people, certain things. Who's had intolerances to people? This is where we're in the isolation stage.